What? What was that?
What's this? It's a lamp. And it's so dusty.
Who dares to awaken me from my slumber? My name is Genie, the greatest sorcerer of all time.
Who are you? Don't be afraid of me. I'm no monster. I'm just like you. See? Just like me. You came out of a lamp. Came out of a lamp. You woke me from my slumber. Don't you know who I am? Who are you? Oh, I am Genie of the teapot, the most magical sorcerer of all. Didn't you hear I explained it just now? No, I was too scared, being terrified. Well, now, here are my terms. You are now my master, and I, but your humble servant, I grant you 4 wishes of your command. 4? Isn't it only 3? No. Here in Malaysia, very special. You buy 3, free 1. For your first wish, what is your command? I got it. A house. A house? Okay, in a house I shall build for you on a hill. Wait, no, Genie. Why not? Not on a hill. I'll explain to you why.
This genie is a landslide demonstration. Now this is the first experiment. These PVC pipes represent roots. This soil represents the hill. Now when the soil is in place and there are roots inside, when water falls down, it stays in place. But when the roots are gone, the soil begins to weaken, thus breaks, resulting in a landslide. Here I have some water. Now I will pour this down into the hill with the roots in, and by theory it won't be falling down because there is mechanical root support.
When humans clear a hill by cutting off the trees of a hill slope, this is dangerous because there is no mechanical root support in the area. Therefore, building houses near a hill without proper support can be hazardous.
In real life, landslides occur when the hill slope is saturated by heavy rain. Thus, the land on the hill starts to break and fall. Without the aid of mechanical root support, the land will simply fall off the hill.
I understand. That was a good explanation. So I won't be doing a house on a hill. Instead, I'll give you a house next to a river. For my second wish, I think I want to get out of Malaysia because it's just too hot here. See this? It's so hot. Now, I want to move to Antarctica. Antarctica? Oh my god, you out of all the masters I've served, your wish is very something so special. No, you can't have a house in Antarctica. You can't have an island in Antarctica. You know why? I will show you why!
For this second experiment, I will be explaining to you about climate change. Let's hop on, shall we? As you can see, the ice here represents melting glaciers, and the rock here represents land. And this represents the heat surrounding that radiates from the sun. Now, ice melts because of the surrounding temperature that is hotter than usual. Melting glaciers causes water level to rise. Water level rises, causes more floods.
What's happening today is persistently higher temperatures caused by global warming have led to greater than average summer melting of glaciers, about 23 centimeters since 1880, with about 3 of those inches gained in the last 25 years. Every year, the sea rises another 0.13 inches, which is about 3.2 millimeters.
Since you can't do your island in Antarctica, I'll show you a better wish. I'll give you something more cooler to calm down all the heatness in Malaysia. Here.
She gave me an aircon.
Now you've had your first wish and your second wish. What is your third wish, Master?
Since I can't have a house in Antarctica, but Malaysia is just still too hot, I want a tornado.
Huh? A tornado? Oh my god, wake up, girl, wake up. I'll tell you why a tornado is just so dangerous. For now, we can't do my experiment here. Let's move to my secret chambers, shall we?
Hello there, magical people. As you know, I am the genie in the lamp, and I will show to you the third experiment. What is the third experiment? You say, well, it's a demonstration of a tornado. Let's get on with it, shall we? So for this experiment, you'll be needing an egg tray, which I have taken from my magical genie teapot, and a portable fan. And lastly, this one you will have to do it yourself, as I did with my magical powers. A box painted black with a plastic slide put in the middle. I will explain to you how the experiment will work. Firstly, as the fan forces air out of the chambers, the incoming air will influence through the slots on the sides. The incoming air, the position of the slots causes the incoming air to create a vortex or a spiral wind as it is drawn up and out of the box. Real tornadoes are formed in a similar way, in which they use updrafts or wind shear. In other words, you can say that it means wind coming from different directions with different altitudes. Thank you.
Central Oklahoma holds the record for both the largest and the strongest tornadoes ever recorded. A tornado that touched down in El Reno, Oklahoma on May 31st, 2013 measured 2.6 miles wide, at one point easily breaking the record for the widest tornado ever observed.
Now for your final wish. Use it wisely. What is it that you command, Master?
As a sultan, I will want to improve our environment. As you know, Malaysia is getting hotter each year, and will be if we don't do anything. So, I want to stop global warming.
Stop global warming? Why don't you show me how to do it, and I'll do it for you, Master.
Right. Now we go to my secret chamber.
Okay.
The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when the Earth's atmosphere traps the sun's heat. This process makes the Earth a much warmer place to live. The greenhouse effect is the one thing that makes the Earth a comfortable place for all living things to live. To measure the Earth's atmosphere temperature, we have this thermometer. And to compare how the Earth's atmosphere is with and without the greenhouse effect, we're going to use this Pyrex. Now we're going to place the Pyrex in the sun and do another one with the thermometer just in the sun.
Human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. Burning fossil fuel like coal and oil and carbon emission produced by cars, factories, and open burning puts more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. Although greenhouse effect is good, but too much can be dangerous. NASA has observed increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and some other greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Too much of these greenhouse gases can cause Earth's atmosphere to trap more and more heat. This causes Earth to warm up and result in global warming and contributing to climate change.
We should change for the better of our country and our future. If we don't do anything right now, in another 12 to 11 years, our damages, everything, every pollution we cause on this earth will be permanent. So let us rise up and together we stand to help save our planet.